Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your enrollment with Arcadia University step by step clearly. To cancel your enrollment with Arcadia University, begin by visiting the official Arcadia University website. Locate the Student Services section on the homepage. Look for the link to the Registrar's Office or Enrollment Services. Once you find it, click on the link to access your options for enrollment management. Review the information provided regarding enrollment cancellation. Make sure you understand any implications this may have on your academic record and financial obligations. Gather any necessary personal information, such as your student ID and contact details. Next, find the cancellation form specific to enrollment. Download or print the form from the website. Carefully fill out all required fields. If there are additional items needed, such as supporting documents, prepare those as well. After completing the form, double-check all information for accuracy. Submit the form according to the instructions provided on the website. This may involve mailing it to a specific address or submitting it online. Keep a copy of the signed cancellation form for your records. You should receive a confirmation email regarding the cancellation process. If you do not receive confirmation within a week, reach out to the Registrar's Office for an update. Be aware of any deadlines for cancellation to ensure you do not incur additional fees. Finally, make sure to check your financial aid status if applicable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.